Why did you get 3 and I only got 2? Would I buy it? I don't know.
Hi everyone!
Okay, so it's January. Everybody's feeling a little bit pinched in the pocket. So Miss Lorraine over here came up with a little challenge. We were at the mall yesterday and we came up with a little challenge. You see this little thing right here?
20 pesos.
So what can you get for 20 pesos as a snack if you want something? Maybe you're on your lunch break, maybe you're an office worker, maybe it's something you want to get for tomorrow, for your kids, or just for yourself. So we went on a little hunt to see exactly what we can get, and me not being Filipino and not being from here, we decided okay, it would be cool to see what we can get.
And it's actually hard.
Actually, yeah, it's quite
Everything is expensive.
Everything's expensive, but that's relative to your pocket. If you're shasha, if you have money. So, yeah, there were some things that I would have liked to try to take. Maybe we'll do that on another challenge with maybe 50 pesos or 30 pesos. But for the challenge is only 20. So we went to, where did we go?
SM Hypermarket.
SM Hypermarket in Rosario. Correct.
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Okay, so at least I know where I am geographically.
Show us what you got.
Okay, so with the challenge in mind, I thought that, okay, 1, would I enjoy it? 2, can I get a variety of things? And I will agree that there was some things that I could probably take worth less, but I don't know if I would like it.
Okay, let's do the taste test. You go first.
Okay, let's go.
じゃんけんぽん
First, we try this.
It smells
Seafood.
like seafood, like prawns.
Let's try.
And,
This is how it looks like.
okay.
Okay. I like it. Not too spicy.
Have you ever
With a
tried
little
this?
bit, little bit sweet.
I will add it to my favorites. Okay.
Approve.
Score out of 10. For me, it's a solid 9. Actually, I'm quite surprised. It's a solid 9 for me.
9 also for me.
Heh. Based on what? Based on what?
Because I like it. Okay, next. The whiskey crackle. Zuna. So it's a twisted crackers barbecue flavor. Product of the Philippines.
So why did you choose?
Because it's Zuna. I thought it's tuna before when I was looking at the store. I was like, oh, tuna!
It's the only thing I'm good for.
Thank you. It's okay. Not bad. Would I buy this again? Maybe. And you?
If I had this before the what beer,
Yeah.
28, alright, scored higher. But the flavor is slipping for me. Like, is it crunchy? Yeah. I appreciate that it doesn't have that. You know when you eat corn chips or corn-based chips, there's this very grainy texture.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes that stuff sticks on your teeth.
Mm-hmm.
This doesn't have it. It's just crunchy and it dissolves quite well.
But it's still a good snack for its price.
First time, yeah. If you get it.
Next.
Okay. So we're going from.
So I got
Savory.
dessert. Excuse me.
Okay.
Kind of dessert. Anyway, next one is Moby. One of my favorites before when I was young. I hope you like it. Okay.
It's what I'm good for.
This is how it looks like.
You know why I do this? Because sometimes the actual thing smells different than the package.
Yeah.
So you're like, wait. I don't know. Maybe that's just me. It's a weird choice, but okay.
How is it? I still like it. It's a bit cute.
Actually, yeah.
You like it?
Not in the way that you think. It's not overly sweet. I thought since it's a chocolate item, it's gonna be sweet. Crispy, light, not as flavorful. I think the one that we've tried so far, the Pier 28, based on hitting flavor profile, has the best in the category of the three. But this is fine. Again, one, it doesn't stick to my teeth, so I'm happy about that. It's not overpoweringly sweet, because I don't eat necessarily sweet things. Would I eat this if somebody gave it to me? Yeah. Would I buy it? Would I yearn for it, like at night?
I want
I
Moby.
Yeah. But good product.
Rate this?
It's mid. It's 5.
5. Mine is 9. So I got 2 9.
9. You have 9.
We haven't
Yeah.
rate this one.
I
For me,
would
it's
say I'll give it a 6. Only because it does what it's supposed to do.
Okay, that's it from my side.
Don't have as much because I'm not a professional shopper. Very boring, again, but safe choices, you know. Since it's my first time here in the Philippines, so I don't know what I'm supposed to look out for. I don't really know much of the products, though I have lived in the UAE, specifically Dubai. I came across some Filipino products. This specific product is from.
Metro Manila.
Okay. I want my gulay. Ooh, we can exchange. Can you help me?
Well, all this time I can do that. I was just helpless.
Wow.
Okay. So first off, Dragon said, if you're gonna give me a snack that's ready to eat, like make sure it's ready to eat. Okay. So what you want me to do is essentially, and I'm not complaining. It's not like first world problems or anything, but so I put this in my mouth, and then I turn it into a bear. Right. Well, okay. Can I just eat it as it is?
Well, it's your choice.
Oh wait, you can eat it as it is. It's a little chewy.
It's the type of snack that you can eat when you're bored.
Or if you
Yeah,
try to
thinking.
stop smoking, you need something to do. Would I buy this again? No. Is it what it is? Yeah. Is it a healthy snack? Do I like nuts and seeds? Yeah. The only misconception I had was I thought it would be de-seeded. But it is addicting. I'll give it that.
Mm-hmm.
If you want a light snack, you like to have healthy things, but it is a little high on the sodium, now that I think about it. So, if you have to watch your salt intake, maybe not for you.
So the rate?
5.
For me, also 5.
Next, another corn product. Again, tattoos, corn chips. This is barbecue flavor.
Why did you choose that?
Because I like corn chips. I can do it by myself.
Where is this from? Philippines.
Okay, so my honest opinion based on the barbecue flavor is that it's subjective. Unless you have an objective scale of where you're rating barbecue flavor. What I've noticed, most of the flavors are hit and miss when it comes to these type of flavors of imitation. This is something I can have with a beer, yeah.
Oh yeah.
Something I can have while I'm watching a movie or I'm watching YouTube. Below thoughts. Yeah, I can have it. It's something that I will crave for again.
Flavor wise, there's a lot of different products that's similar with how it tastes like. So this is not the first
Corn chip.
corn chip that I would think of that I want to buy it next time.
Which one do you think?
I would,
Doritos?
yes. Or the Filipino product also, tortillas. Tortillas? I'm not sure what the name is, but yeah. But if I see that again and I don't have choice, I would take it.
Again, we have to look back at our little friend here. Because at the end of the day, it's okay. For how much it costs, what else is in this category? Is there enough, like in the packet for you? Because some places are or some products are very stingy with how much they give you, right? So, for the price amount, are you satisfied?
Quantity, yes. With this, with the price, not bad. Great.
I put it in the same category as the Crackazona. Both texturally, yeah, 10 out of 10. But the flavor falls flat. Is it not so? Is it salty or over salt? Like too salty? No, it's fine, but flavor-wise, there's nothing that like explodes in your. See, it's also hard to judge because you're also biased. You've had other products. There's other things in your mind that says like, okay, it could taste better.
For me, it's 7.
7?
Okay, who's the winner? Here's the receipt. Here, 28 is 6.95. Moby is 7.95. And Crackazona is 7.95. So the challenge was 20 pesos. But
Because 7 plus 7.
I was looking at the prices and I got excited and I just calculated the first digit. And then when we were in the cashier and I saw the receipt, it's like, there's 0.95. Sorry. So yours?
Me, I had the tattoos. It's 8.50 pesos. Dragon stick is 7.50. So I'm in the clear. Which means I have 4 pesos left.
Yeah, but 4 pesos we can't find for under 5 or 4 pesos in SM hypermarket. So
Yeah, you also have to take this with a grain of salt when it comes to the challenge, guys, because on the street with vendors, you could probably find something for less. I think one pandesal is how much? 5 pesos?
I think so.
Yeah, or yeah, pandesal. So yeah, obviously there's things that you can get at smaller businesses for
Like sari store as well.
yeah. But since we were in the mall, we thought, okay, we'll do this little challenge because, yeah, everybody's complaining it's January, festive season is over, and everybody's feeling
Recovering from
the December hangover, financial December hangover. So, yeah, with that, guys, stay safe. I hope 2025 will bring you like a really great year and really good memories, and also look after your finances. May you get all the money that
Yes.
you need. And yeah, if you want to react this challenge, go ahead with your friends, family, and
Maybe
colleagues. Yeah.
yes, and maybe we'll make more challenges like this
Yeah.
in the future.
Maybe we'll make the 1 million challenge. Yeah, buy me something. Surprise me. That's the challenge. Anyway, yeah.
Anyway,
sign
guys.
off, guys.
See you again on our next one. Bye.
Cheers.